Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2022 GLE 350 4MATIC. This one's in the Obsidian Black Metallic. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter inline 4-cylinder turbo with 255 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one does come with the AMG line with the AMG interior and exterior, 21-inch multi-spoke AMG wheels, night package with black accents on the trim. Black MB-Tex interior with a natural grain gray oak wood trim, ambient lighting, panorama sunroof, heated rear seats, GLE 350 4MATIC badging, trailer hitch, power liftgate, clean set of floor mats, fold down rear seats, cargo cover, driver's assistance package with blind spot assist, Distronic Plus with steering assist, Premium 1 package, the Burmeister sound system, heated and cooled seats, memory seats, illuminated door sills, heated steering wheel, smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, touchpad steering wheel controls, paddle shifters for extra performance, push start ignition, navigation, touchscreen media display, surround view backup camera with sensors. New to Mercedes-Benz is our MBUX system. You can give it simple voice commands by saying, "Hey my Mercedes." "Hey my Mercedes."
How can I help?
"Turn heated seats on."
I'm switching on the seat heating.
Simple as that. You're able to give voice commands, dual climate controls, wireless charging, touchpad for the infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This GLE 350 has 3,890 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this certified pre-owned GLE 350 4MATIC, visit us at feldmanimports.com.